quadratic equations. We are in another topic. First we have learned quadratic equations, how to solve by finding factors. Second one by formula. What is that formula? Roots formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Today we are going to learn nature of roots. Nature. Without solving complete problem, we can tell the nature of that quadratic equation. We know the general form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. When we solve, we will get x answer. Two answers we will be getting. We are thinking first one is alpha, next one is beta. For every problem, because this is second degree polynomial, compulsory we will get two answers, two values of x. First one we call as alpha, next one we call as beta. Alpha, beta are the roots of this equation, what we are solving. Now nature. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the formula of finding nature of the roots. Small formula. In that big formula, small part we are taking. D, what is D? D is called discriminant. So what is the name of this b square minus 4ac? Discriminant. Discriminant means what? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac what? Discriminant. If anyone asks you b square minus 4ac is called what, means discriminant to tell. What is a discriminant if they ask? B square, D is equal to b square minus 4ac. In that formula we are having now that one part under square root. Are you able to follow? Three natures are there. When D is equal to 0, when D greater than 0, when D less than 0. Are you able to follow? Three natures. Now D, what is D? B square minus 4ac. When you simplify, when you get 0, roots are real and equal. You have to learn by heart this one. Is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Coming to second one, discriminant greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct, different. Two answers will be not equal, same answer not, different. Next D, discriminant b square minus 4, less than 0. Greater than 0 means positive numbers. Less than 0 means negative numbers. Is equal to 0, neutral, 0. Then roots are unequal and imaginary. What? Unequal and imaginary. These natures you have to learn and by heart. Now, here there is a note. Clearly for real roots, we must, means real roots, we must have D greater than or equal to 0 or D greater than or equal to 0 if we get answer. Then we have to write real roots. Are you able to follow? So, note this one carefully and learn these three nature of the roots. Learn and by heart. Today's topic is nature of the roots. Exercise 5C. Discuss the nature of the roots of each of the following equations without actual solving. Without actual solving means formula. Without that, taking discriminant, and we are going to discuss the nature. Here we know A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 7. What is the formula for D? B square minus 4ac. What is B? Minus 8. Minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 7. That is equal to minus into minus plus. 8 8s are 64. Minus 4 1s are 4. 4 7s are 28. Subtract 64 minus 28. 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Here 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. We got 36. 36 is what? Greater than 0. When D is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. So this is the way of solving. Coming to the third one. A how much? Here A is equal to 25, B is equal to 30, C is equal to 7. D formula. B square minus 4AC. B means 30. 30 whole square minus 4 into 25 into 7. Bracket indicates multiplication. 3 3 is 9 and 2 zeros are 30 30 is 900 minus 425 is 100. 100 sevens are 700. So 700. 900 minus 700 is 200. 200 is what? Greater than 0. So here also we got D greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. This is the way of doing only we can know the nature of the roots. This is the way of solving nature of the roots. Next, sixth problem. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 2 root 6, C is equal to 3. What is the formula for D? Nature of the roots? B square minus 4AC. B square means minus 2 root 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Be careful. The square is for sign, number or real number and irrational number. So minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Root 6 into root 6 is 6. Keep in one bracket. Minus 4 2s 8. 8 3s we have to multiply. Now 4 6 are 24 minus 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 24 how much? 0. When we get 0, D is equal to 0 means what? Roots are real and equal. Are you able to follow? 4 6 are 24, 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So we got 0. When 0, then the nature of the roots are real and equal. Coming to the 11th problem. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 5. Now what is the formula for nature of the roots? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. B square means minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 5. Minus into minus plus 2 2s 4 minus 4 3s 12. 12 5s 60. Now 4 minus 60 is minus 56. What is minus? Less than 0. So D less than 0 means what? Roots are real and imaginary. Imaginary roots. We got imaginary roots. Real and imaginary roots. D less than 0. Roots are real and imaginary. In the place of real you can write as unequal also, no problem. Unequal if you write also no problem. Real if you write also no problem. Able to follow? Real and imaginary or unequal and imaginary. Both mean same. You keep otherwise in bracket and write unequal. Unequal and imaginary. 12th problem. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3, c is equal to minus 1. What is d? Discriminant b square minus 4ac. 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Sorry, here minus 1 with the sign. Minus 1. 2 2s are 4 into root 3 into root 3, 3. Keep in one bracket. Minus into minus plus. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 12, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4. How much? 16. 16 is what? Greater than 0. 16 is greater than 0. So what? D greater than 0 means what? Roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Next problem. Find the values of k. K value we have to find. For which each of the following equations has equal roots. What is the meaning of equal roots? They told equation has, which equation? This equation. Equation has equal roots. What roots? Real and equal means what? D is equal to 0. The meaning of this sentence. D is equal to 0. What is D? B square minus 4ac. They only told roots are equal. So B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now coming to here. What is A? A is equal to 9. B is equal to K. C is equal to 1. Now substitute. B means K. K square minus 4 into 9 into 1 is equal to 0. From where we got this 0? Equal roots. This is the meaning of 0. Equal roots. Equal roots means is equal to 0. K square as it is minus 4 9s are 36. 36 1s are 36. 36 is equal to 0. Now simplify, still simplify. K square is equal to 36. Minus 36 going from left side to right side. Plus 36. K is equal to square going from left to right. Square root. What is the square root of 36? K is equal to plus or minus 6. Means if you take minus 6 or plus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. Plus into plus 6 6 are 36. So this is the way of solving K. Keep here, keep in mind which nature they told according to that one. If suppose roots are unequal and distinct means greater than 0. Unequal and imaginary means less than 0. Equal, real and equal means is equal to those three natures you have to remember, and which condition they have given that we have to apply. Okay. Now 15th problem. In this problem also we have to find the value of k, and for this equation roots are equal roots. Here a how much? 3k plus 1, and b 2 into k plus 1, and c k. In every term k is there. Before only one term k is there, but all the three terms k is there, no problem. Here roots are what? Roots are real and equal. Equal means in the sense real and equal. What's the meaning of this? D is equal to 4b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The meaning is When we simplify d, what is the formula for d? Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square means what? 2 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value 3k plus 1 into c how much? K is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 what? Roots are real and equal. Based on that one we are writing. Now square is for all. 2 2's 4 and k plus 1 whole square minus first 4 into k 4k 4k into 3k plus 1. Slowly multiply, no problem. One after another. Now here 4 into a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square completed minus into plus is minus 4 3s are 12 k into k square minus into plus minus 1 4k is 4k is equal to 0. Still simplify with 4k square plus 4 2s are 8k because 2 into k into 1 is 2k into 4 is 8k plus 1 square means 1 only, 4 1s are 4 minus 12k square minus 4k is equal to 0. Now 4k square minus 12k square both are like terms. If you simplify it, minus 8k square will come. How much will come? Minus 8k square. Next 8k minus 4k, these two are like terms. 8 minus 4 is plus 4 plus 4k plus 4k. Next see here simplification, 4k square minus 12k square is minus 8k square and here plus 8k minus 4k is plus 4k and only one constant plus 4 is there, right? Plus 4. 4 table is common, cancel. 4 2s are, 4 1s are, 4 1s are and here minus is there. Throughout the equation multiply with minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus. 2k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. For which number we have to find factors? 2 into minus 1, minus 2 when we have to find factors. When we simplify, minus 1 should come in such a way. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 into 1. Substitute 2k square minus 2k plus k minus 1 is equal to 0. From the first two, take 2k common, k minus 1. So be careful. Finding factors is one thing, applying signs is another thing. Whenever 2 is there, you have to see 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and here nothing is there means minus 1 is there. So minus 2 plus 1, simplify minus 1. Minus into plus minus, 2 1s are 2 minus 2. Apply. After applying, be careful in taking common. 2 is common and k also common. So 2k you are going to take common. K minus 1. The next two terms, nothing is there means plus 1 is there. 1 is factor for everything, for every number. So plus 1 you are taking, k minus 1 is equal to 0. First term, second term. In first term k minus 1 is there. Second term also k minus 1. On the whole you take k minus 1 as common. And remaining is what? 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. When it will be 0? Either k minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Or both zeros also 0. So minus 1 going from left to right is plus 1. Plus 1 going from left to right is minus 1. 2k means 2 into. Multiplication becomes division. K is equal to minus 1 by 2.